bit bad on that paint job, man. This heavy shit, just scrape on it. Look at that, just chip it off. Fuck. Oh well, let's put it together, do touch-ups. Here is the passenger side, and this one looks a lot better than the other one. But still has its little defects. So I went ahead and grouped these guys all up, and it seems like I'm missing one of these. I think one of those guys. And this, unless it's already on the mirror and I didn't see. So, not quite sure what that piece is for. Got those. But we're gonna jump to this being completed, and then I'll show you guys how it looks. Here we go. One dumb thing is this guy took all this shit apart. What he didn't have to. All he had to do was pop off the back piece from the front clip. Basically, all he had to do was pop this off, and then the back piece, because these are connected. And he could have just wrapped that, but the dude took the whole thing apart. So this needs to be trimmed down so it's flush. See that shit? It's a little wild. No big deal though. Smooth down here. We just gotta fix that. Alright, so after checking this part out, getting some stuff bolted on, I found out this is busted. Right there, so there's no way for this to be bolted on. Gonna have to hit the junkyard. It'll be tight to find a black one. And then we'll throw this piece on and be set, and then I'll focus on finishing the rest of this wrap, which is turning out crazy. Can't wait to wash this bad boy, give it a wipe down. So the only issue was this trim, getting the wrap under that shit. And I know this is gonna be a pain right here because it's even tighter. So this will be a little tough. This roof will be easy. And then I got a little idea on how to do this and remove that. Trunk's gonna be pretty good. Maybe a little body work here. These are ready to go. Do the rear bumper and the front bumper last. And then I got a little bit on the face of the grill, just so it's shiny and matches up. It is two pieces. There's a seam right here, and But you know, it's just a little temporary, trying it out. And then these are temporary, just trying that out too. Getting close though. I'm not sure if I mentioned, but I gotta get a new hood. This is all fucked up. And this will be the way I'm doing it. Bam, bam.